Hello, here I want to share with you the Meerkapp case study. First of all, and before starting, I want to share with you that the meerkats are these animals that used to live in family, and they have the particularity that they stand in two legs to have a better view, and if the predator or something is approaching, they emit a really chill sound that put on alert the others, and they can return to their home safely. So, why I told you this? Because the challenge of this project is about returning or coming back at home at night in countries or the neighborhoods that are dangerous. That's a situation that a lot of people around the world live every day. So it's something they have to deal each day of their lives. And this app is focused on teenagers, women and or boys, girls or boys, but uh, also could be for women and children that return late at home after work or school or college. So during the research, we have done interviews, 24 responses, 10 parents, 15 daughters or sons, and 18 female, 9 males. And the results were really hard results. 70% of 66% of the participants say that they feel that they live in dangerous neighborhoods. 80% said that they have a weekly routine that it could change every day, but more or less it was a specific routine. And 70% of them used to communicate before departing, and 80% of them say that they feel insecure during this trip. Also, they say other comments, for example, that when they return to their homes, they play the horn to make their parents to be alert that they were arriving, or sometimes the parents go to the bus to the bus stop to wait for them, um, uh, come together to their home. Sometimes they forget to send a message to the parents, and they were really worried. And also that they were doing some actions, for example, sharing position on WhatsApp or sending message to make their parents feel more secure if it could help in some way. So we compare different applications that try to solve this problem in benchmark, and we compare the features of each one. And the most used features that the, we ask in a survey to the users which those features will be the most suitable for them, where the receiving notification, view, watch in real time the positioning map. Also, another insights that were really important were that when the user forgot to say to their parents that they were returning, they were really worried. And then also that the parents said, okay, I would love to watch my son or my daughter in the map, but maybe the teenagers were not so comfortable with sharing their position all the time. Also, sometimes for the teenagers were difficult to take out the mobile of their pockets in the neighborhood, and sometimes the departure time was not the same. Sometimes it was 1 hour before, sometimes 1 hour later. So, according to these insights, we uh, make up two different modes. One was the automatic mode, and the other one was the manual mode. In the automatic mode, the user don't need to interact with the application all the time. Just set before, set once, and then the user do not need to open the application and share the position with their parents. They just set it, and it's enough. And the app will work, um, will continue working, and also the manual mode. So we create some sketches it closed. Let me load it again. During those sketches, I'm going to show just the one that was the path. We create this really quick to communicate with the users, and we noticed that there were some contacts that the user need to pick or select to share the position, a way to activate the departure point and an arriving point, and some features or actions that um, the system will need to develop in second um, plane. And also, for example, sending message or obviously view the position of the user in the map. So we create a mockup, a low-fi, really basic with these actions that the user uh, say that will be useful. And we test with the users. The results were really encouraging, especially the manual mode was really simple, just one click, the users love it. The automatic mode need improvements, and um, they love this idea of avoid interaction, but they don't understand really how it works. So we continue iterating the product. We work also in the accessibility. We work on onboarding, and we create a new prototype. In this opportunity, a hi-fi prototype, where the user can uh, understand how it works, the automatic mode, the contact pair, how to share position or send a message. So this is the hi-fi. We can see the destinations and departure points that the user can set. With one click, okay, I want to share with my mom. I'm going. Do you need me to buy something? Should I buy something? And the color of the state change. The mother is notified that she's going. Uh, she doesn't say where is going, but she's turning the position, so the mother can see that she's approaching. And in case she wants to stop sharing, just click again the mother pick, and it will stop sharing. In the case, for example, of the mother, she will receive a notification on the mobile, and when she opens the application, she will notice this app or this requirement of watching her daughter, and she can watch her the state again change, and can see her in map. And also can send maybe an emoticon saying, okay, be aware or be alert. I saw something, I heard something, or stop, don't come, or wait, or no, it's okay. Just, it's okay. So the daughter will receive the notification, also could reply it, and that's how it works. The manual mode, just one click, uh, easy. And we can notice here that we also have these perimeters, and they work with the automatic mode. So if the user go to settings, could have different, for example, the college or the work, and the user can specify departure point, a time, and a gap. So if the user leave the college between that time, the GPS will recognize the position and will develop a set of settings. For example, in this case, notifies to her mother that she have leave the departure point, she's going. Also can share the position, and also could specify a point of an arriving point, the time of trip, and for example send a message when I am arriving, and also the members. For example, in this case, the user select everything, so the mother will be notified for everything. But in other case, for example, in this case, the work, the user say, okay, I don't want to tell to my parents where I'm leaving the work. I also don't want to let them know my position. But yes, I want to let them to know that I am arriving. So only activate this send notification when arriving. So when the user enter to the perimeter, the parents will receive notification that, okay, Natalia is arriving. So it's much more easy to set how what actions the user can do. And yes, that's how it's worked, the automatic mode and the manual mode. And I hope you like this application. And if you want to know more about it, you can read the case study in the webpage. And thank you very much for sharing. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.